MagicPlan Forms is an awesome tool for creating assessment checklists or SOPs for your team to follow. First, let's walk through how you can build a checklist in the MagicPlan Cloud under the Forms section. You must start by creating a new form and giving it a name. In this case, I named it Initial Assessment for Water Damage Jobs. Then, choose what this checklist will apply to. It could be for the entire project, a specific floor, walls, or even particular elements within the sketch. You can break your checklist into sections to organize it better. And you can add instructions for each section along with the corresponding questions. These questions can have a variety of answer types like yes or no, lists like these ones. Multi-select, text, signature, distance, number, photo, color, date and time, and more. In this example, I've created a fully structured checklist with different sections and questions for my team to fill out. When they're out in the field using the app, they can go through and complete the checklist, answering the questions you've set up. This lets you capture standardized data across the board, whether it's photos, text responses, or even signatures, so you can ensure everything is done right and following any standards for compliance. Meanwhile, back in the office, you'll be able to track the progress in real time, seeing exactly what your field teams are inputting on the forms. Now let's take a look at SOPs. Here I've used the Forms feature to create an SOP for my team, specifically detailing the steps on how to set up drying equipment. I've divided it into sections with instructions, and I added simple yes or no questions so they can confirm if they've completed each step. And this is how your team will follow the SOP out in the field, marking off each task as they complete it, ensuring everything is done correctly and consistently. And that's it. Now that you've seen how simple it is, go ahead and give the form feature a try. Play around with it to standardize any process in your business and make your workflows more efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.